In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a book on KDP, a comprehensive tutorial designed specifically for beginners. Whether you are an aspiring author or looking to self-publish, this guide will help you navigate through the Kindle Direct Publishing platform with ease. Let's start with the essentials, completing all your book details. This first step is crucial because it's all about how your book is presented to potential readers. Begin by logging into your KDP account. If you don't have one, it's free to set up, so you can do that quickly. Now, once you're in, click on Create a New Title for either a Kindle ebook or paperback, depending on your preference. Here, you'll enter the title of your book. Make sure it's captivating and relevant to the content. Next, fill in the subtitle if you have one, or any series information. You'll also need to add a description of your book. This description acts as a sales pitch, so make it engaging and concise. Don't forget to credit yourself as the author. Enter your name or pen name and any contributors' names if applicable. Finally, make sure you choose the right book categories and keywords. These help market your book effectively, increasing the chances of it being discovered by readers interested in your genre. Once your book details are sorted, it's time to proceed to the second step, uploading the manuscript and cover. This is where your finished book and its cover design come into play. If you haven't already, prepare your manuscript in a Word document or a PDF, ensuring it's formatted correctly for KDP. For the cover, KDP provides a cover creator tool, but you might also consider hiring a professional designer for more personalized artwork. Upload these files by clicking the Upload button next to their respective sections. This part may take a little time, so be patient. It's essential to preview your book using KDP's online preview tool to catch any formatting errors before proceeding further. Now let's move to step 3, setting your pricing and territories. After your book and cover are uploaded, click on Rights and Pricing. You'll first decide on enrollment in KDP Select, which offers various promotional benefits in exchange for exclusivity. Next, set your primary marketplace. For most authors, this will be Amazon.com. Then it's time to set your price. Consider your genre, audience, and competition when deciding. KDP will suggest a price based on market trends, but you can adjust it within the listed ranges. Finally, decide in which territories you have the rights to sell. Choose worldwide if you want maximum reach. Finally, it's time to publish your book. Review all your information once more, and when you're satisfied, click Publish Your Book. After submission, your book will undergo a review process by the KDP team and will be published within 24 to 72 hours if everything's in order. And there you go. With patience and attention to detail, you'll soon find your book on Amazon, ready for readers around the world to discover and enjoy.